Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Trend Beat Cars. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of luxury and EV power, so buckle up because we're about to explore the new Rolls-Royce Specter. Rolls-Royce is taking its ultimate luxury ethos to a new realm with the all-electric 2024 Specter Coupe. The Specter rides on the same platform as the Phantom sedan and Cullinan SUV, but is propelled by a fully electric powertrain consisting of two electric motors that pump out a combined 577 horsepower. The driving range is estimated to be around 260 miles per charge, which does not place the Specter among the long-range EV cohort with less expensive rivals such as the Tesla Model S and the Lucid Motors Air. But buyers with the $450,000 or so available to buy a Specter aren't likely to road trip when their private jet is always standing ready at a nearby airfield. The Specter is Rolls-Royce's first in a series of EVs, and the company says that its gasoline-powered models will be phased out of the lineup and replaced entirely with EVs by 2030. All Specters will come with a dual-motor electric powertrain with 577 horsepower and 664 pounds-ft of torque. After taking the Specter on a test drive, we estimate that the electric powertrain will move the 6,559-pound coupe to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. You may scoff at that estimate and point to the Tesla Model S Plaid that hit 60 miles per hour in 2.1 seconds in our testing, but we'd be quick to remind you that Rolls-Royce's brand ethos is more about quiet cruising than mind-bending performance. Although sharp impacts will still make themselves known, Rolls-Royce has installed adaptive suspension to ensure an appropriately isolated ride over all but the biggest bumps, and the engineers also made room for a massive amount of sound-deadening material to maintain a whisper-quiet cabin. And oh, how quiet it is. On the road, the Specter is so silent inside that your ears pick up almost no sounds until you get up to 80 miles per hour, and the wind starts to only slightly penetrate into the tomb-like cabin. The Specter sports a 102.0 kWh battery borrowed from the BMW i7, which is estimated to provide a driving range of about 260 miles per charge. DC fast charging is standard, but we guess that most Specter buyers will have a charging system installed at their estates, so they aren't forced to wait around in the parking lot of a Walmart like the rest of us. While the EPA hasn't weighed in just yet, we expect the Specter to receive fuel economy ratings of 72 mpg city and 75 mpg highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the Specter on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route and update this story with test results. For more information about the Specter's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. The Specter's cabin offers space for 4 with bucket seats in both rows. Anyone who's familiar with Rolls-Royce's current interior design will find a similarly sybaritic one here, although the company has added several design features that are unique to Specter. For example, in addition to the brand's signature Starry Night headliner, the Specter's door panels rock a similar twinkle with tiny LED lights sparkling in the area surrounding the armrests. We don't yet know all the details or have a list of options and features, but the Specter should be available with a seemingly endless array of personalization options and material choices. All Specters come with a touchscreen infotainment system nestled into its finely trimmed dashboard. A digital gauge display is standard too. The technology is well integrated into the Specter's interior design and doesn't distract from the ambience. A bespoke audio stereo system is available and sports attractive aluminium speaker grills. Rolls-Royce offers several driver assistance features as standard, including automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. For more information about the Specter's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Key safety features. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed our turbocharged adventure through the world of speed, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow speed enthusiasts. And of course, subscribe for more exhilarating content. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and stay fast.